Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video is all about curve. Most people find it hard to understand, so in today's video let's see basics of curve. Here I have this image. Check the link in the description to download this image. First you have to duplicate your image and hide the bottom one. Click on this adjustment layer icon and select curves from here. And after that you will see this kind of graph labeled as properties. And this graph here is our histogram. These sliders here indicates darkest and the brightest pixels of your image. And these peaks means the amount of the pixels. As you can see here, this graph is dense, which means that this image has higher amount of shadows and also higher amount of highlights. There is almost no midtones here. Now most popular curve is the S curve, like this. It contains highlighting the highlights and decreasing the shadows. We also have some icons here in the bottom of the graph. First one is for clipping mask. If you want to limit this adjustment just for the layer below it. And second is for before and after checking. Third is for resetting the graph, and the last one is to delete this layer. Now at the top we have some presets, you can check them if you like. After that we have these modes like this RGB effects overall image. Then we have them separately in green, red and blue. Increasing any of these increases the particular color in the image. Like if I want red tint only in the highlights, I will increase it from the top and decrease it from the shadow. Now, because we have some grass here in the shadows, let's increase the green in the shadows and decrease from everywhere else. If I decrease it too much, what it will do is it will just add some magenta to it. Let's check the blue also. See, if I am increasing the blue, it adds blue, but if I am decreasing it, it adds yellow to it. Let's decrease the blue from the sky only. Here we have some tool. This first one is for selecting particular area. Just activate it and click and drag. Notice the graph, it sets automatically. You don't even need to set the graph manually. Then we have this one, it sets selected pixels to dark or shadow points. Then we have gray point, it sets the selected pixels as midtones. Last one similarly sets the white point or highlights. Let's have one more curve adjustment layer here and make these clouds darker, keeping the shadow unchanged. Now, if we want to apply this adjustment layer only in the sky, simply select your brush tool with soft round brush. Make sure you have black color set and just paint on the image while selecting the layer mask. Now this mask is only applied to sky. Let's have one more curve layer just to brighten up the whole image. Now select all layers and group them. This is the before and the after. And if you think that it's too much, decrease the opacity of the whole group. Curve is a non-destructive editing method. You can always change as you like at any point you like. Like I want to edit the grass here. Let's do it. Here is the end result. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, share and comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will get an update whenever I upload my video.